Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to disable the reading mode icon on Google Chrome for PC, especially after the recent updates that have made this feature more prominent. If you're finding the reading mode option annoying or unnecessary, follow these simple steps to remove it from your browser. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once Chrome is up and running, you're ready to proceed. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This is known as the menu button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. From this menu, scroll down to Settings. Clicking on this will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Chrome experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, find and click on Appearance. This section allows you to adjust how Chrome looks and behaves. After entering Appearance, look for an option labeled Customize your toolbar. Here, you'll find settings related to different features available in your toolbar. In this section, you should see an option for Enable Reading Mode. If you want to disable it, simply toggle this setting off. This action will remove the reading mode icon from your toolbar and prevent it from appearing when you right-click links. Finally, make sure to restart your Chrome browser for the changes to take effect. You can do this by closing all open windows and reopening Chrome. Once you've done that, you should no longer see the reading mode icon or option when browsing, and there you have it. You've successfully disabled the reading mode icon in Google Chrome on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to optimize your browsing experience. Thank you for watching.